Good morning, everyone. Andrew Tehako here with the TnT group. We're posting this for NakedTrader.com. The date for this webcast is November 15th. It is right around 3:30 in the morning, Central Time over here in Chicago. Hopefully, everyone had a great weekend. I'd like to start out by just kind of talking about the news that we've been keeping an eye on. Obviously, China and Ireland were the big story makers last week. As for those two storylines, there's nothing here so far over the weekend or so far here tonight. We have seen, though, stories about Germany is really pushing Ireland to take the bailout. So we should really continue to see stories come out, during the day here, going into the morning for the morning session. So keep an eye on that. It's obviously not going to go away. It's going to be this back and forth crap that we've been seeing. Makes it tough to trade this euro or have an idea of direction sometimes when they're coming out saying they need a bailout. They asked for a bailout. They didn't ask for a bailout. So a lot of back and forth on that. Now to these markets. In terms of value and reaction wise here overnight, it's garbage. It was absolute shit here so far tonight. I'm personally stopped out here tonight, just trying to be short oil. Now, when I'm talking about garbage reaction, I'm mostly talking about the oil right now, as in just this overnight trade. Someone overnight or something, God knows if it was a person or if it was a computer, did not want that market to go down. Seemed like they solely wanted to test the 100 bar moving average on the way up. It was right around probably 3 o'clock in the morning. Just kept pushing higher. It didn't matter. The euro would come off, make new lows, bid up oil, bid up oil, bid up oil. Example, numbers wise, we're looking at, I saw a dollar move from 78.40 to 78.66 half, which is a pretty decent dollar move. Like I said, the euro is making new lows, getting hit. We also saw the S&P, the minis, trade from 11.97 half to 11.92 half. So about a five-handle move down. Stocks, the euro stocks getting hit also. We had copper coming off, ended up selling off, making new lows. Gold initially sold off as well. So you kind of had what I think is a perfect storm for that oil to go down. Not to mention, you also have China sitting there and looking to cool their growth, which obviously has been a big story. We just talked about it here when I first brought this webcast up. They're looking for China to cool their growth, and they're really the commodity eating monster of the world. I mean, they have so many people, such a high demand for things. But if they're looking to cool growth over there, you would think, or at least in my mind, I think that commodities such as oil, mostly copper, would get hit the most on a move like we saw in the dollar and a move like we saw in the equities. Um, you know, I'm stopped out trying to get shorted. I don't know why we moved up like we did. I don't know what the reason was. Just a huge divergence in what I've been trading and what I've been seeing and trying to trade and react off of. I'm still bearish this oil, even though I am stopped out. And if I could trade, I would still be looking to get short somewhere going into this morning session. I'd still be looking to get short also, unless this dollar can really make a move back down, or China decides to come out and say, hey, we're not looking to cool growth as much as we'd like. I'd kind of change my mind up, but you're still looking here. I mean, we saw now a rally in the equities, and oil decided to chug back higher, actually making new highs now. Still got the euro down 50 ticks on the day, or on the night, and now you got oil up 60. So a little bit of divergence here. Not sure why, not sure the reason, but that's what I've been seeing here so far tonight. So keep an eye on that stuff. Keep an eye on the news. Keep an eye on Ireland. Keep an eye on China. Other than that, continue to check us out on Twitter and StockTwits, TNT_group for those websites, and then check out our blog, tntgroup.me/blog. Some interesting stuff will probably be posted up there in the next week or so. Take care. Have a good trade. Hopefully it goes better than what I saw overnight. Andrew Tehako with TnT Group, posting for nakedtrader.com. Thanks.